How to add two Gmail accounts in Gmail on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Then, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your profile, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, you'll find Add Another Account. Click on Add Another Account. Then you'll find different options. I'm simply selecting Google as I have Google account. Then click on email or phone and add your email or phone number and press on next at the bottom right. Then you will need to add your password. After you press on your password, press on next at the bottom right corner of your screen and you will be logged into your account. This is how to add two Gmail accounts in Gmail on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.